How to manifest a text or a call or a DM in 1 minute or less. That's right, 1 minute or less. This is an incredible method that absolutely works. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, thanks for subscribing. And remember to always hit that bell icon because we're here almost every day with a new video to empower your life. Want to remind you to get your free copy. That's right, free copy of 5 Secrets to Attracting a Specific Person. These 5 secrets are proven secrets, and you can get them absolutely free by visiting us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Just go to the page and scroll down a little bit. You'll see it. Claim it. It's yours absolutely free. Well, the clock is ticking. Tick tock, tick tock. Can you hear it? That's the clock ticking, meaning that in 60 seconds or less, you're going to get a text or a DM or an email or a contact in one way or the other from your specific person, from somebody you want to hear from. I absolutely love this technique because it works so effectively. I mean, it's absolutely incredible at how effective it is. Okay, are you ready to do it? So take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now, you're going to make a statement of absolute truth, absolute reality, absolute fact. You're going to make this statement and you're going to believe it and you're going to expect it. Let's do that again. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Now make this statement. My specific person will text me or call me or DM me within 60 seconds or less. Now, pause for a moment. Say it aloud. Say it aloud so that you hear yourself say it as a statement of truth, as a statement of absolute fact. This is now your absolute truth. This special person, whoever it is going to call you or text you or DM you in 60 seconds or less. This is your new truth. So, high flyers, what happens when you make an absolute statement of fact, a statement of truth, and you believe it, and you accept it, and you expect it? What happens? You begin to micro shift into a new timeline, a timeline where your specific person is about to call you or text you or DM you or email you or something, knock on your door in 60 seconds or less. That's the new timeline. That's the new reality. And you have said it with such intensity and such belief that the universe must respond to it. Now, what do you do next? You pick up your phone and prepare to receive that call. I know a lot of law of attraction gurus will say, now just forget it and go about your day. No. Not on this one. This is very different. On other ones, yes. Other techniques, yes. On this one, no. You pick up the phone, you look at it, and you expect the text or the call or the DM. Visualize. See the text. See it there. Oh, there it is, baby. Yeah. Right on time. He's sorry he hasn't gotten in touch with me in a long time. She's sorry that she wants to catch up. She wants to see me. Wow. There it is. Right there. You see it in your mind's eye with absolute clarity. Now, perhaps you have a notification sound when you get a text similar to this. Then hear that sound in your mind. Hear that sound going off, shaking you, saying, hey, answer me. I'm texting you. I'm DMing you. I'm contacting you. Expect it. Know it. See it. Feel it. Hear it. That's how it works. You are shifting timelines with absolute certainty. So high flyers, after you see the text in your imagination, what does it feel like? What does it feel like to see that text? Do you want to answer right away? Do you want to make him or her wait a little bit? Yeah, it could be a game, but kind of a cat and mouse thing, right? What are you feeling? Is your heart pumping? Are you excited? Are you motivated? Are you fired up? Of course you are. So feel it right now. We attract what we are, not what we want. Look, high flyers, the deeper you can tap into your emotional state, the more effective this technique will be for you. Now, the final thing is just shut your eyes and exclaim, I'm in a new timeline. I am in a new timeline where my specific person is about to text me or call me or DM me in 60 seconds or less. I'm in a whole new timeline. Now open your eyes and there you are. New timeline. There it is. Expect it. Believe it. Know it. Trust it. You're in a new timeline. Don't allow yourself to get filled with doubt and all that kind of stuff and watching the clock and you just start shifting back into that old timeline. Stay in this new timeline. Now you may be asking, what else is there to do? You're done. That's it. The only thing else you need to do is answer that text. Remember, say these words and mean it as an absolute statement of fact. My specific person will text, call, or DM me within 60 seconds or less. Now, enjoy your new reality. And hey, wait a minute. Make sure your phone is turned on and it's nearby as well. Okay, here's another video to help you with your specific person.